In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Binance Webpage not available error. Now, there's multiple reasons why this issue could be happening, and in this video, we take a look at the most common causes and the solutions. So number one is server issues. So Binance may be undergoing maintenance or experiencing downtime, and it's really important that you keep that in mind, because if Binance is in maintenance, then there are going to be some errors and you won't be able to go ahead and load into the web page. And next up is internet connection. So you want to make sure that you always have a good and stable internet connection. If possible, try to alternate between mobile data and Wi-Fi and then see which one actually performs better. And next up, let's talk about regional restrictions. So Binance may be inaccessible in certain countries due to regulatory restrictions, and this was actually the issue for me. So me personally, I live in New York City and I wasn't able to access the Binance webpage because it is not allowed in New York City. So again, you just want to double check that whatever area you're on, that Binance is actually supported. That's another really important thing to take note of. Also, suspicious activity or using a VPN from a restricted region could actually block access. So it's always a good idea to disable any VPNs whenever you're trying to load into Binance, because it could make your IP address seem different and therefore restricted for you. So if you're using a VPN, make sure to always disable it before you go ahead and go use Binance. But it's always a good idea to contact Binance customer support if none of these issues apply to you. So if you're in a region where Binance is actually allowed and you're 1000% sure your internet connection is good, then what I recommend that you guys do is contact Binance customer support. And to do that, all you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on this icon, then go ahead and select on get help. From here, please go ahead and select on messages, and then from there you're able to chat to a Binance customer support representative where they will attempt to help you out. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.